Transform your PC cricket gaming experience by unlocking the power of a wireless gamepad. Tired of the keyboard and mouse for those intense cricket matches on your PC? Today, we're diving into how to effortlessly connect a wireless gamepad and elevate your gameplay. It's simpler than you think. And the result is a much more immersive and responsive way to play your favorite cricket titles. First, let's get your gamepad ready. Most wireless gamepads come with a USB receiver. Locate a free USB port on your PC, usually found on the front or back of your tower, or on the side of a laptop. Gently insert the USB receiver into the chosen port. Your PC will likely recognize it automatically, perhaps with a small notification popping up on your screen indicating that a new device has been detected and is being set up. This setup process is usually very quick. If your gamepad requires a specific driver, your PC will attempt to install it. In some cases, you might need to download the driver software from the gamepad manufacturer's website. Check your gamepad's manual for any specific instructions. Once your PC confirms the gamepad is connected, it's time to power up your controller. Most wireless gamepads have a power button. Press and hold it until the indicator lights on the gamepad illuminate, signifying it's active and ready to pair. Now, let's ensure your PC sees the gamepad. Navigate to your PC's settings, look for Devices or Bluetooth and other devices, and then select Add Device. Your PC will start searching for nearby wireless devices. Wait a moment, and you should see your gamepad appear in the list of available devices. Click on it to connect. It might take a few seconds to establish a connection. Congratulations! Your wireless gamepad is now connected to your PC. To confirm it's working, you can often test it by opening the game you intend to play. Most modern cricket PC games are designed to recognize and automatically configure a connected gamepad. Simply launch your cricket game, and you should find that the joysticks control player movement, and the buttons are mapped to actions like batting, bowling, fielding, and navigating menus. If you find the controls aren't quite to your liking, don't worry. Within the game settings menu, you'll typically find an option for controller or input settings. Here, you can often reassign buttons and customize the control scheme to perfectly suit your playstyle. With your wireless gamepad connected, you're all set to enjoy a more intuitive and exciting way to play your PC cricket games. Say goodbye to awkward keybuttons and hello to seamless controller support. Happy gaming!